Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the PrunePro Loppers for tree trimming. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. So when you get this out of the box, it comes pretty well protected. As you can see, some grip areas, and then of course the top is going to have its own kind of set of stuff here. To make sure that it's really well protected. As you can see, it kind of has like a gear almost to kind of make sure that this thing gets nice and tight for clipping. And obviously super sharp, so don't mess around with that too much. We have a nice little kind of softener there for clamp, and then two great grips. So we're going to take this outside and show you. I'm probably going to cut down some little branches and or some use this on some bamboo, which is running rampant around my house. But just want to kind of show you what it looks like up close first before we take it out and use it. So first, going to just show you a little bit cuts of bamboo, and it makes cutting really simple. Obviously not a huge piece, but bamboo can be a little bit difficult. All right, so dealing with some thicker stuff, we just want to show you that this will cut right through with these, some really thick branches as well. So we'll go to some more thick stuff. All right, so I'm going to cut down some thick bamboo and show you what that looks like after the fact, but I'll have to zoom in because we're pretty far away from it. So I do want to show you, just cut through this like jelly, and as you can probably see, that's some pretty thick thumb-sized bamboo. So cut through it without any issue at all. So it allows me to kind of get through some of this heavier stuff back here. Really easy. As you can tell, it would probably cut through trees pretty easy because cutting down bamboo can be difficult at times. So I love this thing. I got a lot of kind of junk out here that I got to kind of keep cutting back and throwing in that pile, and to me it's definitely worth buying. So hopefully this review helps. Absolutely love this PrunePro Lopper, and definitely recommend it. So hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.